What is going on, guys? Zoo at home for another YouTube video, and today I just got back from the Pomona Bird Mode. So I'm going to show you my pickups, but first I really want to show you this awesome toucan feeding. So hopefully you enjoy it.
They can fly because we haven't clipped their wings, and you can put your hand in there and feed them if you want. But yeah. Christian, take a look.
Wow, that's awesome. They're awesome. They are. They're very.
Okay, so by now you should have seen it and everything. So yeah, it was adorable seeing those guys eat. So here's what I got. I got a small hookbill food line from my boy Chuck. I got some food for the aviary. And then I got a big bag of sand food. Right there. Yeah, okay. There's Chuckles. Hey, Chuckles. Okay. So, now I'll show you guys the animals. Now this is really cool. We got this. It's like a awesome nest. And we got water bowls to feed from the outside. It's very awesome. We got two of those. And then next, we got these. These are feeders for outside. Right? Now I mean to my babies for this one. And if you're wondering, the two babies are down below. Enjoying life. Oh, and shout out to Cameron Holiday. Okay, so now the next bird is a green singer. Wait, that's a female. Her name's Carly. Okay, this is my green singer finch, Elvis. It is a male. So, yep. Now she was actually a trade. He wasn't. He cost me 25 bones, 25 bucks. Then, what I'm very happy on getting is these guys, pale golden finches. I actually had these before, if any of you follow my Instagram, but they sadly, my female actually flew away, and then the male died because of loneliness. Or something, I don't know. But here they are. They are very, very awesome. Very happy birds. So, yep. Now, I'm actually going to be releasing these guys any second now. Oh, butterfly. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about, but there was no release, but here's the birds. There's the green singer. Right there. There's Rose. There's Goldfinger. Right there. There. There's Goldfinger. And then Cleo is right down there. She is very, very awesome. Awesome and new. So, and then there's Charlene, Tyler, and Lonnie. They're all doing well. And sadly, Julia keeps oh, there's Taylor right there. There's Taylor. Right there. I don't think so. Oh, and then there's one of Saffron Finch's right back there. So this ends vlog. So, see you guys next time. Bye.